So I've got new lights to put in. I got these on eBay, and actually I had the grill out a few weeks ago, and because when I bought the truck, the bumper was pushed in right here on this corner, and so I pulled the grill out. The grill also had some, it was like something had gotten on it and kind of etched it, or etched the color on it. And so I pulled the grill out so I could get to the bumper bolts, and had to pull the bumper off and bend the bumper bracket back out. It was pushed in, bend it out to get the bumper all lined out. And then also, while I had it out, I painted the center of the grill, taped it all off, painted the center of the grill so that it looks nice and new again. So at all that, while I was doing all that and had the grill out, I went to put my replacement lights in, took them out of the package, and they sent me Chevy lights. This is a GMC. They're different. So the lights are different, so I couldn't put them in there. So I don't really feel like pulling the grill out today, but we're going to see if we can get the lights out without pulling the grill. And if you're watching this video, then you can. So to get the headlights out, you've got these little things here, and these come out. So just set those, we're not going to lose them, and then the headlight comes out. Oh, come on. It does come out. There we go. So headlight out, and you have to unplug the headlights. You got Sylvania lights there, and Sylvania there. So somebody put headlights in it. Set this out of the way. Okay, so you got this little tab right here, and you can push that in. I don't think the lights are going to come out. Nope. Hey, they come out. So you got these little push those in, get the bulbs out. There we go. So lights out. So this one, when I bought the truck, was full of water, and as a temporary solution, you can see I drilled that tiny little hole in it to drain the water out. But as a result of being filled with water, you can see, is that a crack? I think that's a crack up there. Okay, you can see it goes through to the inside. That's probably the water was coming from. So it was full of water, and I drilled a hole in it. And while I had it all apart, doing all this, these were very corroded, and I got these working, but I don't think my daytime running lamps are working. So I'm going to have to check it, and it's got the wrong bulbs in it anyway. Or, well, you could run the 3157s, they'll fit, but the, is it 4114, I think? The 4114 long life are a redesigned bulb for the daytime running lamps. It's supposed to last longer. So I'm going to put a 4114 in it, pull this 3157 out, and we'll see if they're working. So your daytime running lamps will not come on with the with it in park. So I've got it in drive with the parking brake on, with the wheels blocked just in case. And neither one of them are working. Look at this side, would have pulled off. This one is probably a bad connection, just because this plug was corroded. So I'm going to clean this plug real good, see if we can get that one working. And I would bet this one wasn't filled with water. This one's probably just a bad connection, I mean a bad bulb. So, like we did the other side, pull these out. I've got a headlight cleaning kit. I need to clean these. And just like the other side, just have a tab down here. Push it in. Pop the light out. So we'll check these other bulbs too, but I think I checked these and they were working. Wow. What a mess. Looks like somebody taped up a burnt socket or something. Okay, so we're going to have to do something about that. Gas gone. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the truck off and we're going to have to do some work on these daytime running lights. Alright, so this part of the socket actually pulled out of that part. I guess that's why they had the tape around it holding this part in. So we'll see. You can see some corrosion. I got the bulb out. It came out in two pieces. The glass part came out and left the plastic, and then I was able to get the plastic out. So I've got a little pick, and I've got a little bitty file and some sandpaper and some contact cleaner. So I'm going to work on cleaning this up, and I'll clean these contacts too. Let's see if we can make this light work. Alright, after working all that time, I got to thinking about the parking brake. And so if you're watching this, parking brake turns off the daytime running lamp. So you're going to have to get somebody to sit in the truck with it in gear, holding the brake, so you can check the lights. And I did have some trouble. I did have to clean that one some more and clean that one some more to get them both to work. Even after doing all that, I could get bolted with the voltmeter, but the bulbs wouldn't work. So after working with the bulbs forever, I got them to work. So let's go ahead and we'll shut the truck off and we'll put our new lights in. Alright, so we got our lights and let's go ahead and put them in. These are our new ones. And it's hard to do one-handed, so I'm just going to set the bulbs in them like I took them out and snap them in like I took them out. This end first, and that end will snap. Alright, so before you put your headlights in, you want to check all your lights. I've checked all of them. Now I'm checking the daytime running lamps. They're working, so see it's all together. And we just need to put the headlights back in. Alright. All back together, everything plugged up. Now I really need to clean these headlights. They are, you know, the park lights, the turn signal park light lens is new. You can really see how yellowed the other lights are, but a lot better than that. And the other one's even worse, I think. Yeah. See how bad that looks. So anyway, not too difficult of a job, pretty easy. So, thanks for watching.